Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, August 15th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Canadian starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So, in the dollar Canadian, to me, it still looks like impulsive down and three waves up, but then it made three waves down also. So, we have to pay attention because if that's a three-way pattern down, then it may end up making three waves up for like a WXY before it does actually end up continuing that downtrend. So let's take it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly is where you can see impulsive down, three waves up, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down. We do have a break of structure, which is actually a good sign that it is an ABC and that we probably are making a pretty decent move to the upside right now. I think there is still a good chance that this could make a lower high, but I do believe we are still in an uptrend, and I do not believe that this uptrend is complete yet. So going down to the daily time frame is where you can see what I think is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 very overlapping trend, which tells me that it probably is a wave C because trends within a correction are often very overlapping. It does have a nice uptrend right here. It does kind of resemble a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so I wouldn't be surprised if it did make a pullback at some point. But at least until we get a break of structure to the downside, which we definitely have not done so yet, I am for sure still looking for longs in an uptrend because this very easily could just keep on drifting up to make that pattern that I was showing on the weekly and monthly time frames. Going down to the 4 hour time frame is where you can see this last ABC correction. Very, very nice clear entry. And we've been going up ever since. We do have a little bit of a double top here, and we do have a Fibonacci level here, so we'll see if it does make an area of resistance. I do not see any reason to think it's over yet, and it very easily could just keep on going beyond this point. So just because we're at it, we have a double top, and just because we see a Fibonacci level that we're at, does not mean that this is going down. The only thing that tells me it's going down is if I see a structure break to the downside, which we do not have yet. So that tells me that I do want to continue to look for longs on shorter time frames. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame is where you can see today's ABC entry. We have impulsive down, we have 1, 2, 3 waves up, we have impulsive down. Very, very clear entry. Definitely made a nice impulsive move up afterwards. That was a very, very clear entry that happened today. And we do have a little bit of a double top. We probably are going to try to make a pullback, but like I said, this could just be another small ABC correction. So if I do see another three-way pattern, another impulsive move up after three ways down, then I definitely will continue to go long at the end of these pullbacks for the continuation of the uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.